What is up, guys? Sorry, I had a customer. I was halfway through filming a video, and this really nice elderly lady that bought a car from me made a payment. Came to make a payment because we did in-house financing for her. But I'm back. There's car deals going, and I had to get through that talk very quick because we only have 20 minutes to bid on cars on ACV, and I got to show you guys what I'm bidding on. I need cars bad, so. Let's go see what we got going on, okay? Let's get it, boys and girls. All right, so this is our live auction site. These all have 20 minutes, and like this one has 0 seconds. Jesus, I'm missing them. All right, enough with the talking. These are all going through right now, the auction. Dealer-only auto auction, online, boom, boom, bang, bang. Need cars. Need some cheaper ones, to be honest. Let me filter it out, 2 to 5K. Because I finance myself, it's very hard for me to get 1,000 down and me have a ton of money in the car. That is a nice Ford Ranger. Please be a green light. Unable to engage in four-wheel drive. That's okay. Oh, yeah. Woo! Let's go, baby. It's got a huge dent in it. The lady that just paid, she had a Red Ranger just like this. Unable to engage in four-wheel drive. Buttons missing. 141 in the mealies. Is the exhaust in the back of the truck? What's going on here? What? So this thing's kind of a turd. Four-wheel drive, $900. I'd give them like, shoot, it's skyrocketing. All right, we're gonna avoid that one for a minute and move on. We got a Mitsubishi 16 Lexus, Kia Soul 3300. I think I could finance this. I think a Kia Soul, because I'm in a little college town, I think this would finance fairly well. Boom, boom. Like, oh, someone going to college? That is a cute little college car. I don't say cute ever. Let's see about the interior. I don't know what that is in the driver's seat, but I don't know what to say there. 143 bones on the miles. Not bad. Kia Soul. Kia Soul. I lost my soul and I need it back. Let's see how much this thing is worth in our area. I have 11 minutes left to make a decision before this bad boy ends. Go here, boom, for sale, boom, bang. Car Gurus. Alrighty. 6,500. Okay, $7 above a Little Rock. That's a 138K miles. What does this one have on it? 143. So if I get it for 45, 55, 65, that's two. Okay. Let's see. We've got 5,800. So we're high, but it's income tax right now. The prices are sky high with dealers. I can't hardly buy anything. That's why I'm out of inventory, because I sold and now I can't purchase anything because everything's through the moon. Honda Ridgeline, these are nice little vehicles. Hail damage, it's red light because it's over 200,000 miles. Let's see what we got going on. We got a little, it's like a gray four-wheel drive. These are super nice. I like these bodies, and these are Hondas, so they're super reliable. And I think this would sell fairly well in this area. Oil's good, so that is good. Let's see. No codes. ECM powertrain control module. VIN number. Key. Dent there. Body damage. Little paint. That's not bad at all. It's a nice little truck. These things probably go forever. So that's good. Intake air temperature sensor. Mass airflow. I like this truck. 18 minutes left. Y'all probably won't see me bid on it because it's too long. I don't want to make the video 25 minutes. But yeah, stock number. Why is that on there? In stock number. Unavailable due to virtual lift sprinkling. What does that mean? I really like that truck. I think that that truck's in good shape. I'm not going to get a warranty with it, but I think that'd be a great one to put out there on the lot. This one, you know, David is really good with dent repair. I don't know. I kind of need trucks ready to go. But man, Rangers do so well. The door and the body. And full drive doesn't engage. It's kind of like a triple negative. People here, they're rednecks. They want four-wheel drive. Let's see what we have. '08 Chrysler, 98K miles. Town and country. Boom, bang, bang, bang. What's the shipping? 724. That is a ton. That is so hard for me to justify. Yeah. All right. Well, that is probably a no-go. Reserve is met. Of course it is. Anything wrong with this bad boy? 1450. Actively dripping oil leak. Super high mileage. Not going to go that route. Yeah, we have 7 minutes left. We have 17 minutes left. And that is it. All right, I'm going to pause the video and then re-record whenever it is ready. Can I do that? I don't think I can do that. All right, well, I'll leave it running and we'll keep looking. But yeah, I mean, this is what I do every single day. Try and buy and sell cars. So we will see how this goes. 180,000 miles on this Pathfinder. Doesn't move. Classic. Car doesn't run. Let's go to ended auctions real quick. See what we have. They wanted 3,000 for that. 3,500 for the Coda. Engine problem. Excessive smoke out the exhaust. Oh no. Civic EXL, $5,000. $2,000. I mean, Jesus, guys. Income tax time is killing me. That was a good deal. Yeah, so, I mean, this is really just it. We are not finding any deals. This whole last week, I have not found hardly anything. It's so hard to get deals right now. 122,000 miles. Transmission issue. Classic. Classic, classic, classic. Z06. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nissan Altima. 3,500. Ooh, ooh. Mississippi. How far are we away? Bang, bang. 550. It's an 11 model Altima with 132. All right, let's see what we got going on here. TPMS light OBD codes, interiors, seat damage, headliner, mechanicals. It says refer to amp when letting off gas. Really? This isn't that bad. Alright, we gotta stop that. Okay. This thing isn't too bad. This is a good little finance car. Okay. Okay. Looking good. I'm going to make an offer on this. Not bad. Not bad at all. The bumper. I remember I saw this one now. Oh, what do we offer on this one? What do we offer? Seat damage, carpet damage, dashboard damage, headliner damage, warning light, mechanicals. Bang, bang, bang. What are we going with, boys? What we going with? What we going with? I'm going to hit him with a 31 hundo. 31 hundo. Green light, boom, good to go. 3,100. That's not far off. That's not really even a low ball. They shouldn't be offended. I like this Kia Soul. I might go down the Kia path, huh? What about this '09 1400? Just red light. That's not just. That's a big deal. Shipping's not that bad. Da-da-da-da-da. AC knobs worn, curb rash, scattered stains, cracking. OBD2 scans are not working properly. Okay, that's scary. Don't these have CVTs? Wait here. Oof, gotta be careful here. This is a Gambolino. Is it a new car trade-in? Body looks great. Body looks good. Looks good. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. That's David sanding on a hood. We're repainting a hood on a Silverado, making sure it looks good before it goes out. David is a man of many traits. He can do about anything. Blah, what is that? That's the darkest oil. I mean, this is. I need cars, man, and this is cheap. It's high mileage, but I think I could do something with this. I think I've got a little something going, huh? I like this too. I like this little Kia Soul Sport. Not bad. Not a bad little rig. Let's see what happens here. I'm just kind of like gonna let this ride out and see how it goes. We have been on this, I guess, stream, even though it's recording for a little bit. But we have 2 minutes 30 seconds on that one. I love that ridge line, man. I'm gonna probably get the ridge line. There's a F-150. These have such bad issues. These 3-valve 5.4s or 4.6s. They're scary. It's in Georgia. Georgia is 770 away. That is so much. Cannot justify that one. I kind of like this Kia Soul. I don't know what's going to happen, though. I don't know how long it'll sit in Arkansas. Arizona, we had one and it sold fairly quick. Sounds good. Knoxville, Tennessee. 143 is low. I just think, like, dude, who hit a $150 bid, man? Why are y'all doing that? Stupid. Oh! Calm down, boys. Okay, I thought I wanted it. I'm not paying $5K after everything. I'll go with the Alti. Little Altima. Little boy. Little bitty boy. Little bitty Altima. Mitsubishi. I should get this too. Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. This thing looks like a booty. Looks like booty. Bad booty. I don't know about that one. Yeah, let me stay away. 4,000, like after shipping, I'm what, 46. Then there's a buy fee. I'm in that thing at like 4,800. Then a detail. It's not looking good on that car. Maybe this Alti. I can see the Alti doing pretty hot. So let's handle this Altima right here. Are we gonna get this for the video? We gotta get this for the video. I'm willing to go to 1,800, and I'm gambling because there's no warranty. These are CVTs. They're already not that reliable. But you know, if I get this, I'm gonna drive it for about a week just to make sure it's good. Here we go, boys. It is at a new car dealership, so it was probably a trade-in, it looks like, which is very good sign, at least. Body's not bad. I mean, a nice buff, nice cleanup. This thing's ready for Eddie. Come on. Come on, baby. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? We might have it. We might have it in the bag. For the video. Red light. Don't come with a warranty, but it's okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! They need 2,500? What the hell? I'll do this quick one. I'll hit them with a 1,500 just to kind of like, okay. Boom, that'll be perfect finance one. Except for the fact that I'll really need to drive it, make sure that transmission is good before I sell it. 4,200, too much for me. 1,450, like, this 3 minutes left. Do I go for this? That side's good. You got that dent there. I can get a decent amount out. Four-wheel drive doesn't engage though. It's rusted. Trucks are like gold here though. Do I do it? I mean, am I crazy? 141 on the miles. Exhaust in the back. Battery in the back. This thing's a challenge. This thing's not ready for me. Or I'm not ready for it. It's got springs. I don't know if I'm used to seeing that little setup right there. Boom, boom. It's wet right there. I mean, this thing's struggling. This thing's had a tough life. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I may stop the video right here, really start focusing because I actually need to buy and trying to like talk while I bid. Oh, like this car. I'll just put my money into the Ridgeline to be honest. I need to get off here. This Suzuki, golly, I love that little rig. Yeah, let me get off here. So this is what I do every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do this every day. We have 2 car lots, one in Arkansas, one in Arizona. If you need a car, hit me up. If you like these videos, if you think they're informative, drop a like, comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe, I would love that so much. My subscriber count's kind of like this. I need it to be like that. But I got to get back to work. I got to do some physical labor out here in the car world. So I'm going to get off here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you want to. Check me out. This is the end of the video, and I'll be doing this tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the next online auto auction bid session. See ya.